Hey guys, it's Alicia. Alicia handles it. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today I wanted to come on here and give a little review on some store-bought hair from the hair store, because you know how sometimes, girl, we don't have time to order hair and we don't have time to be waiting on the delivery man. So, came up with something for you guys. In your neighborhood, you know we have the neighborhood hair store. They be having everything. You know the ones to go to, right? So anyway, this is a 13x4 frontal HD lace, virtually undetectable. And this is by Sensational. I'm sure you girls and guys have heard about Sensational through the years. And I wanted to come on here and say it's not too bad. They said it's HD. I've seen better HD, but for store-bought, it's not bad at all. I just took it out the package and I did not customize the lace yet. You can see the knots are really needing to be done, but I feel like this is a very good lace that you can run to the hair store and get. It's a 13x4, but look at the width that you have inside. That is good. Usually some 13x4s from the hair store, like back in the day, they would literally stop right here. That's why I would be like, oh, please order some hair. Go to a good vendor and get you a nice lace. But you can actually go to the hair store now and get you a good lace. Like, seriously, dude. It came out of this package, and it's a 14-inch. Straight. Let me give you the exact. It's 100% virgin human hair bleach. You can bleach, perm, or dye. It says, we do not recommend bleaching, dyeing natural black hair. It will not achieve desired dyeing results. But that's not true, because I've used worse hair from the hair store and made it work for customers. Trust me. And look how it flows. It has a nice flow to it. So I want to let you girls know, like, and guys, that this is it. This is it. Like, I recommend this fully if you need to go to the hair store and grab a lace really quick to get an install. I'm actually going to install this on a customer. So I'm going to get this lace to get together for her. And I'm going to show you guys the ending results. But I have shown you guys in another video if you've been here before. And if you haven't been here before, you can go check out my other videos and you'll see a video on how I customize lace. Real quick and simple and easy. But I really want to say that this is a nice lace, and it's by Sensational. It's HD lace with baby hair. And it's by Sensational, and it's a 14-inch, this one. And on top of that, it's kind of pricey. I mean, it's almost the same price as online. So I'm thinking that this is a very good quality, and I'm not going to lie. I've seen HD thinner than this, but it will work. It will work. That's the edge. And I definitely will show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so I highly recommend this, and I forgot to give you guys the price. It's $129. So I feel like online you can get something cheaper with a better HD lace, but for last minute, this is good. And worse if you have a good stylist to install it for you, you'll be fine. And if you're doing it yourself and you know what you're doing, you're good. And so this 14-inch is $129. I'm sure she paid some taxes for it because my client dropped it off today. And yeah, so Sensational HD lace, 12A quality hair, which I believe, because this thing is flowy out of this world. And I really recommend it. So yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe. If you're back, thanks for coming back. And if you're back and you still didn't subscribe, hit the subscribe button, please. Thanks for watching, guys.